So when it comes to talking about Hurricane Katrina, I'm very sensitive. I know it's been probably about 15 years since Hurricane Katrina has happened. And a lot of people be like, oh, wow, like, oh, you're still affected by that. And a lot of people don't understand, like, traumatic experiences and how it works and how it affects the mind, the body, and the soul, and trying to readjust and trying to like find yourself again after losing everything. Um, so during the storm, I think it started around 4 something in the afternoon, and like at first we didn't lose power or anything, and like we prepared for it, like meaning we stocked up and boarded the windows and things of that nature. So we really thought that we did our preparation, and but nobody could have told us what to expect. Um, I first saw the water coming in from the floor, from the ground. And, mind you, I'm only in ninth grade at this time. And, like, I just remember screaming. Because by this time, like, the power, I think, has started to flicker. The chandelier in our living room dropped on our glass dining room table. And my grandmother and my mother had just redone like our whole house. And we put a pot where the chandelier was to hold like the water from coming in, and where we had the washer and dryer, a tornado hit, the dryer tumbler. And then within like a matter of an hour or two, it started to get darker. And then that's when I saw like the water starting to like creep in, like just like from a scary movie scene, like seeing water coming in. Like, how can this happen through cement? That's like what I'm thinking at that time, at that age. And I remember screaming, like just to the top of my lungs. And like it was so much stuff like that we lost that was memorable. Like my mom's baby's pictures and my baby pictures, and just things of memory, of value, things that you can't buy. And then also, like, when I screamed, my grandma, she was in shock. The one thing that she invested in for us, like me, my mom, my grandma, my son, was falling apart. So I had to grab her some clothes, like clean clothes, clean underwear, clean bras, stuff like that. And I just really grabbed what I could for myself.